Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. The kitchen is more than a place to prepare meals. It is where thoughtful design meets everyday living, making comfort, efficiency, and style equally important. At the center of every beautiful kitchen is the cabinetry, setting the tone for the entire space while providing the storage and organization needed for a functional home. Today's modern kitchen cabinet designs go far beyond simple storage. Clean lines, warm materials, smart layouts, and carefully chosen finishes work together to create spaces that feel open, welcoming, and effortlessly elegant. When paired with the right countertops, lighting, hardware, and decorative details, these elements transform an ordinary kitchen into a space that is both practical and visually inspiring. The ideas ahead highlight some of the most influential modern kitchen cabinet designs for 2027, along with remodeling inspiration and complementary design features that bring the entire kitchen together. Whether planning a complete renovation or looking for fresh design inspiration, these ideas offer timeless solutions that blend beauty, functionality, and lasting appeal. Minimalist cabinet designs continue to define modern kitchens through clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. Flat panel doors create a sleek, contemporary look that feels both elegant and timeless, allowing materials and finishes to stand out without unnecessary detail. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry enhances the streamlined appearance while providing additional storage and making the kitchen feel more spacious. Handleless designs, recessed pulls, and push-to-open systems further strengthen the seamless aesthetic. A cohesive look can also be achieved by concealing appliances behind matching cabinet panels, creating smooth, uninterrupted surfaces throughout the room. Paired with simple color palettes and carefully selected materials, minimalist cabinetry offers a perfect balance of beauty, functionality, and everyday practicality. Natural materials bring warmth and character to modern kitchens, making the space feel inviting and comfortable. Wood cabinets and finishes like light oak, walnut, or ash add texture and timeless appeal while complementing a wide range of design styles. For added visual interest, wood cabinetry can be paired with painted cabinets, stone countertops, or subtle metal accents. This balanced mix of materials creates depth without overwhelming the space, resulting in a kitchen that feels both modern and welcoming. Choosing durable, high-quality finishes also helps ensure the design remains beautiful and functional for years to come. Two-tone cabinetry is an effective way to add depth and personality while maintaining a clean, modern look. Pairing lighter upper cabinets with darker lower cabinets creates visual balance, while a contrasting kitchen island naturally becomes the focal point of the space. This layered approach adds interest without making the kitchen feel overly busy. Neutral colors remain a timeless favorite, but earthy greens, warm grays, muted blues, and rich charcoal shades continue to bring warmth and character to contemporary kitchens. Matte finishes enhance these colors with a soft, refined appearance, while coordinating hardware, natural wood accents, and stone surfaces help tie the entire design together. The result is a kitchen that feels stylish, welcoming, and built to stand the test of time. Beautiful cabinets become even more valuable when they are designed with everyday functionality in mind. Modern kitchens make better use of every inch by incorporating smart storage solutions that keep essentials organized and easily accessible. Deep drawers provide convenient storage for pots, pans, and larger cookware, while pull-out pantry shelves make it easier to reach items stored at the back. Corner cabinet organizers, built-in dividers for trays and cutting boards, and hidden recycling compartments help reduce clutter and improve efficiency. These thoughtful features create a kitchen that not only looks elegant but also supports a smoother, more enjoyable cooking experience. The modern kitchen island has become much more than an extra work surface. It serves as the heart of the kitchen, bringing together food preparation, casual dining, storage, and social interaction in one well-designed feature. Larger islands with built-in cabinetry provide valuable storage while helping keep countertops clear and organized. Adding comfortable seating transforms the island into a welcoming gathering spot, while a waterfall countertop and statement pendant lighting create a refined focal point. When thoughtfully designed, a multifunctional island enhances both the beauty and practicality of the entire kitchen. The right combination of materials can elevate a kitchen from simple to sophisticated. Quartz and porcelain countertops remain popular choices for their durability, low maintenance, and refined appearance, while full-height backsplashes create a seamless, high-end finish. Combining wood cabinetry with natural stone, glass accents, and subtle metal details adds texture and visual interest without overwhelming the design. A few carefully styled open shelves can also introduce decorative pieces or everyday essentials, creating a balanced look that feels elegant, functional, and timeless. Lighting plays an essential role in highlighting the beauty of modern kitchen cabinetry while making everyday tasks more comfortable. Under-cabinet LED lighting brightens work surfaces, and interior cabinet lighting adds a premium touch while making storage easier to use. The finishing details complete the overall design. Sleek cabinet hardware, modern faucets, and coordinated fixtures create a cohesive look, while carefully chosen pendant lights add both function and visual appeal. Together, these elements bring warmth, depth, and a polished finish to the kitchen without overwhelming the space. A beautifully designed kitchen is about much more than selecting stylish cabinets. The most successful spaces are those where every element works together in harmony, from the cabinetry and countertops to the flooring, lighting, backsplash, and wall colors. When these features complement one another, the kitchen feels balanced, spacious, and effortlessly cohesive. Creating this sense of unity begins with choosing a consistent color palette and materials that naturally enhance one another. Thoughtfully coordinated hardware, lighting fixtures, and decorative accents help tie the entire design together without making the space feel overcrowded. By focusing on quality materials, practical layouts, and timeless finishes, it becomes possible to create a kitchen that is both elegant and highly functional, offering lasting style and everyday comfort for years to come. Incorporating smart technology elevates modern kitchens by combining convenience, efficiency, and sleek design. Features like touchless faucets, smart ovens, connected refrigerators, and integrated charging stations make everyday tasks easier while maintaining a clean and organized look. Appliances and devices that blend seamlessly with cabinetry preserve the minimalist aesthetic, ensuring technology enhances the space without overwhelming it. Smart controls for lighting, temperature, and appliances allow precise adjustments for comfort and functionality, while innovative solutions like built-in coffee stations or automated cooking assistants add practical luxury. These features make the kitchen more intuitive, helping streamline meal prep, reduce clutter, and save time. Thoughtful integration of technology ensures that every gadget and system serves both a functional purpose and a design purpose, creating a kitchen that is modern, efficient, and effortlessly sophisticated. With smart enhancements, the kitchen becomes a space that adapts to your lifestyle, making daily routines smoother and more enjoyable. Decorative elements add personality and character to a modern kitchen, turning it from a purely functional space into one that feels warm and inviting. Open shelving, artful dishware, and carefully chosen accessories allow for subtle displays that reflect individual style without overwhelming the clean design. Indoor plants or herb gardens introduce color, texture, and a sense of life, while textiles like rugs or seat cushions add softness and comfort. Thoughtful placement of lighting fixtures, vases, or decorative bowls can highlight focal points and enhance the overall atmosphere. These finishing touches bridge functionality and aesthetics, creating a kitchen that feels lived in yet refined. By combining practicality with decorative accents, the space becomes more engaging and enjoyable, reflecting personality while maintaining the modern elegance of the design. Every element, no matter how small, contributes to a cohesive, balanced, and inspiring kitchen environment. Modern kitchen cabinet design is about finding the perfect balance between style, functionality, and lasting quality. From sleek minimalist cabinetry and warm natural materials to smart storage solutions and beautifully coordinated finishes, every design choice contributes to a kitchen that is both practical and inviting. The modern kitchen cabinet ideas for 2027 demonstrate how thoughtful details can completely transform the heart of the home. Whether planning a complete renovation or updating a few key features, choosing designs that reflect personal style while supporting everyday living is the key to creating a space that will remain beautiful for years to come. If these ideas inspired your next kitchen project, be sure to like this video, subscribe to HD Interiors for more modern home design inspiration, and share which kitchen cabinet style is your favorite in the comments below.